Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a pixel-precise workspace. First, set the image size in pixels so each click maps to 1 pixel, then zoom way in until individual pixels fill the screen. Choose the pencil tool and set its size to 1 pixel, and pick your color using the color palette or edit colors for an exact shade. Once done, position the crosshair over the target pixel and prepare to click. This guarantees each click paints exactly 1 pixel. Now place your pixels with intent. Tap single clicks to set isolated pixels. If you need a straight run, click the first pixel, then hold Shift or use click-drag cautiously to avoid thicker strokes. If paint shows grid lines, enable them to align work. Otherwise, create a 1px guide by drawing a contrasting row you erase later. After a click, use the arrow keys to nudge the selection 1 pixel at a time for micro adjustments. Save often. Finish by inspecting at 100% so you see the true result. Zoom out to confirm the pixel placement reads correctly. Save a master copy as PNG to avoid compression artifacts and keep an editable backup. If a stroke looks too thick, undo, reselect the pencil tool, and confirm the brush size is 1px and your zoom level is sufficient. Sometimes Paint applies smoothing if a different tool is active. One quick tip: use Ctrl+Z liberally and replace the pixel precisely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.